How you guys doing? This is Martin. You know me, look like an angel with all this bright stuff, all this light behind me. You know me from my series on how to pay off let me, that's a little better. How to pay off your car loan in 36 months without giving up Starbucks or being cheap. I will be going to Starbucks after this. Or like you've been watching my other series on how I talked to you about how to pay off your car loan. You looked at the one for 5,970. And I paid that. That was when I had like my 2012 Camry, and I paid it off in 17 months. And now today I got a check for $1,000. It was the whatever that $1,000 fee you pay when you I have a $1,000 deductible, and I guess my accident happened back in January something, like about January 2018 is when my car got hit. That about January 1st or 2nd. It was when the Rams had their football game, and I guess I had the accident sometime about the 17th. So I mean, I had my last Camry it was a 2012 Camry, and then I upgraded to a 2014. So the car I have now, it's a 2014 Camry. So I've been driving this have had it for 2 years. The car loan when I had it was, I think it was $19,950 or something like that. And now, as of today, probably I got it down to, it's probably like under 8,000, because I've been doubling up on the payments. And like I told you, when you pay off your car loan, just pay an extra $10 to $20 a month. If you have a 60-month loan, and you multiply whatever that extra amount, say you pay $40 times 12, and my car payment is $354. So within that 4-year period, you've paid off your 5-year period. Say you've paid off 5 months worth of payments, and you get a car. Instead of having a 60-month car payment, you have a 54, 55, 48 car payment. The reason why that's important, because by the IRS standard, a car depreciates in 60 months. So once your car passes 60 months, it don't matter if it's Mercedes, Audi, Land Rover. If you get into an accident, according to the IRS, the car is worth zero, and they won't give you any money. So that's why a lot of people have liabilities on their car. And you say, Martin, I got a 72-month car loan. Well, with that 72-month car loan, what it is, they have something called gap insurance. Most of the time, you'll get it. I was talking to someone who works in insurance. She said, well, you don't have to get it, but most of the time, the car dealers are going to they'll scare you into getting it. Say, for example, you buy a Beamer. Say you buy a 2019 Beamer, and it costs you $28,000. That's like a used one. I don't know what I'm saying when it comes to the cost, but say, and then you get into an accident. Well, if you don't have the gap insurance, the insurance company will pay you the amount that car is depreciated in that time period. So if you've had the car, say for example, your car depreciates every $8,000 a month, say. If you had it for 2 years, you had an accident, and you owe $19,000 on that payment. So what does that mean? It means that you have to come out of your pocket and pay that extra $11,000, $12,000 if you don't have the gap insurance. See, so that's what they teach you. And that's why they make you do it most of the time. But what I'm trying to say is, I got this $1,000 check, man. You think, what should I do? Should I go to the strip club? Should I go make it rain? No. $100 for food. Got to reinvest the rest into a job that I have. I got to print out something at Kiko's tomorrow. A job I've been interviewing for to do cold calling. Go back, start studying again. Oh yeah, and I'll also buy like the special recording from the event that I was at. I'm gonna do that right now. So what I'm gonna do is gotta reinvest. And $1,000 don't mean nothing, man. That's not enough. That's if you go shop at Albertsons, I'll get you like for 4 or 5 bags. That not counting if you buy like any type of medical or pharmaceutical product. That price is going up, baby. Let me tell you. So. But today is Friday. Not much to say. I don't have any themes. But I'm just thinking I gotta go interview for a job, put my application in, scan back an application, scan back a contract for someone that I'm gonna do some work for. So basically, I'm just telling you, don't get caught up in the weekend. If you get a little extra money, go celebrate. Go buy yourself a piece of cheesecake, but don't go out drinking. Don't go crazy, man. Don't go like spend $100 on all kind of alcohol. You don't need that, man. It's only March 7th. When's it? March 6th. man, what are you gonna do, man? I can see if it was a springtime, you had some extra money, you'd go crazy. But now, take that money, reinvest it. Like I told you before, with all the SARS virus, whatever, C virus, until like the companies know that how they get confident in their so-called certainty to predict what's going on with their manufacturing, how the economy is going to be impacted by people freaking out. Keep a little extra money. Keep a little extra money on hand, man. What happens if that bank you go to, like, there's a run on the banks and they say, hey, we don't want to get any money out. You only get like $100, $200 out. You know what? I got $100 stashed away at the house just in case it hits the fan. Man, come on, man. I got $50. Can I get some gas and some food? At least get to work or get out of town. One of the two. Get me so far out of town, then if they run out of gas, then just leave it on the side of the road and I'll go disappear into the desert. So if we ever have the Walking Dead scenario, man, make sure you at least have $5 to $10. At least get as far away from town as you can. Get away from the center of town where all the zombies are. Get away, man. If not, those zombies are going to get you, man. They'll eat you. And the zombie could just be, what happens if you have a bill due and a bill you didn't expect it? There goes some money that you could use to eat, that you're going to have food or something. That's why you gotta have extra money, because what this money is like protecting you from just the unexpected things. That's why I gotta raise I'm telling you guys, I gotta raise another $12,548 this month. So I haven't accomplished anything. I got a check I wasn't expecting, but now I gotta reinvest that, get the recording from the event I went to in Vegas. Then I'm gonna take some of the skills I've been learning from like my 7 traits of sales, some of my follow-up skills, and go back out to the marketplace. Take a drive. Look at those signs you see. 13,500 square feet for lease, all these races. You know what that means? That means someone who had a business is not there anymore. Because you know what? People don't know how to sell. They don't know how to negotiate. They let people waste their time and said, hey, man, great, I thank you for what you're saying, but are you going to buy this or not, bro? Sister, whatever you are. And then if not, hey, who can you refer to? And then like, hey, I'll be back. Like Arnold, I'll be back. Because I gotta make some money, man. It's all about making that green. So today, I want you to go do some accounting. Figure out, hey, where's my money going, man? Am I gonna do like Martin says? I'm gonna just sit at the house, relax, or are you gonna be somebody that goes out and wastes money? Don't do that, man. So comment, subscribe, like. So today is just my rant. If you have some extra money, keep it. And if not, go out there. Once you get that extra money, go out there, make some more money. Talk to you later.